Namaste, my dear friends. Welcome back. We are celebrating another day, third day of wonderful celebration, Devi Navaratri. So, myself, I am Devi Chekka from New Jersey, USA. Before start today's session, I would like to thank my mom, Krishnaveni ma'am, to give this wonderful knowledge to me, and my heartful tributes to Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, my Guruji. So, my dear friends, welcome back. We are celebrating Devi Navaratri. Together, we are going through the wisdom of Devi Navaratri. As we discussed before, actual Vijayadasami will come into our life when we defeat our inner enemies. That is the real victory. But how to define this real victory? When we allow awakening the complete new existence within us, a new part within us, when you start experiencing the divinity within ourselves and all around us, like in a bird, in a tree, and people next to you, everywhere you see the God essence. When we attain this state of being and continue living with that awareness, it is real victory, my dear friends. Actual Vijayadasami starts in your life. The celebration started. We are on third day now, and the name of today's Devi form is Mata Chandraghanta Devi. The energy behind this Devi form is alertness, which means who always acts actively with awareness. This is our natural state of being. Whatever energies are there behind all these Devi forms and all these Devi forms are our natural energies, my dear friends, our own energies. Still, we totally deplete all these energies because of ignorance and continuous chartering of our monkey mind. Today's goddess name is Chandraghanta Devi, and the energy behind Chandraghanta Devi is alertness, which means active. So, most important, all of us, when you not aware, it is important to apply our wisdom into our life. Whatever we learn, it is important to apply all those wisdom into our life. But when we are not aware, we are not able to apply that wisdom towards our life. We are not able to live up to that wisdom, whatever we learn. We learn a lot, but when the times come to practice, we cannot do anything. Real change and transformation will take place when we live according to our wisdom. If we practice this alertness and awareness in our lives, we can live up to that ultimate truth, my dear friends. But if you are not aware, we access ourself with ignorance and limited thinkings instead of wisdom. There is a name Jagarini in Lalita Sahasranamam, which means the same alertness, living with that awareness, my dear friends. If we did the same thing, we could become Jagarini, which means we are aware and alert of the divine state of being and living accordingly. That is Jagarini state. We also listen to this word Jagarani in celebration of Mahasivaratri and Devi Navaratri. All these celebrations leading us to become aware and alert. That's what happening in our meditation, my dear friends. When you be with your normal natural flow of breathing, we come out of our thought. Whenever we lose your awareness, we start thinking again. Practicing Jagarana overnight is most important part of Sivaratri celebration, which means practicing meditation overnight. Many people misunderstood this word Jagarana. They think Jagarana means just not sleeping. So they avoid sleeping. Many people watch movies, do some bhajana and some other stuff, games, like kind of stuff to make them awake. But still, the actual meaning of Jagarana is awareness. Be aware. Because of this alertness and awareness is our true and natural state of beings. When we become aware, we connect with our divine nature, my dear friends. Then our thinking, speech, intentions, and everything filled with that divinity. That energy of Goddess Chandraghanta Devi is such a wonderful energy, awareness. We must practice this awareness a lot. You may lost your awareness 1,000 times. It's okay. Again and again, practice this awareness, my dear friends. To do that, we must practice meditation regularly. Because of meditation, because meditation is the key to unlock your hidden energies. My dear friends, every day we recite 2 slokas from Ekavimsati Stotram. Today also we do that. But before that, I am telling one more time, awareness is most important energy within us. We have to practice again and again. We have to be in that awareness state. With awareness state, we are able to live in this present moment. Whenever you lost your awareness, you go either into the past or into the future. So, coming back to our Ekavimsati Stotram, what a wonderful stotram, my dear friends. In this stotra, a wonderful discrimination about various kind of divine energies, how working within ourselves. So today also we recite 2 slokas from this Ekavimsati Stotram. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमः तस्यै नमः तस्यै नमो नमः. We all have feminine and masculine qualities within us. Because if you understand from soul perspective, we all took male and female incarnations. Energy is feminine quality. Yadevi Sarvabhuteshu Sakti Rupena Samstita. Energy form. Energy is in feminine quality, my dear friend. Wisdom is male quality. That's why we define all energies in goddess forms. In these 9 days, we have 9 goddesses. We need both feminine and masculine qualities within us. We increase feminine qualities by increasing our soul's energy with practice. And we get more masculine energy by gaining more soul's wisdom. We will get many kinds of powers like telepathy, television, receiving messages from nature, and third eye experiences, astral travel. By increasing our soul's energy, we will bring out the power back into our awareness. We have all these powers within us, all these energies within us. To increase our energies, we need to seek wisdom. The another sloka, so wisdom is the masculine energy. So we need this wisdom and energy both. And one more example of this Shakti is we all need cosmic energy, my dear friends. Shakti, cosmic energy to lead our lives. We took some amount of cosmic energy in deep sleep, but that is not sufficient. In meditation, we are able to take more cosmic energy. 1 hour of meditation is equal to 3 hours of sleep, my dear friends. So by doing meditation, we increase our energy like anything, our divine energies like anything. That is the meaning of Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Sakti Rupena Samstita. So we have to increase that energy to increase our divine qualities in our life. So next sloka. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमः तस्यै नमो नमः. My dear friends, in many god pictures, there is some brightness behind the head. Most of the times we find that brightness behind the goddess heads and god's heads. Not only the god, but also all of us have this brightness, Kanti, around us. We call that Kanti is aura. We call that light, brightness as aura. Also called an electromagnetic field. Not only God, we all have this aura around us, but it is not visible with our physical eyes. But there is a photography called Killian photography. With this Killian photo, we can capture the light around us, the electromagnetic field around us. Go through the internet and search about Killian photography. Kirlian, Killian photography. So then you came to know what kind of the light we have around us. So another interesting thing is we are not only the physical body, We have light bodies as well. We have 7 bodies. We are 7 bodies together. We are not only the physical body. We have 6 light bodies, and and you may say those are subtle bodies. So, according to your meditation practices and your energy levels, the light will increase. The light and energy both will increase in ourselves. I will give you one wonderful example about this aura Kanti. So Buddha has 3 miles of aura. Because of his intense and deep meditation, he increased his aura like electromagnetic like field like anything. So one time the Angulimala want to kill the Buddha, Lord Buddha. But he reached Buddha with the intention of killing Buddha. But when he reached near the Buddha, he completely changed because he is looking Buddha in a peaceful state. He is experiencing his electromagnetic field, which is highly positive energy. And he is not scared at all. Instead of instead of being scared, Buddha is showing love energy towards the Angulimala. With that electromagnetic field, with that unconditional love, he transformed and he became one Buddhist yogi. So that's how our Kanti, our electromagnetic field will work, my dear friends. Because of our heart center will release this electromagnetic field. So what kind of energy you are holding around us, that kind of people and situations come into your life, my dear friends. So it is very important to vibrate with positive energy, increase our Kanti. We need to bring that divine energy into our electromagnetic field with the help of meditation. And another another wonderful example is Mata Kanakadurga Devi. We worship Mata Kanakadurga Devi in these 9 days, my dear friends. Devi means energy. Durga means fortress. Unbeatable fortress, no one able to enter into that. And Kanaka means golden. To understand this, we need to decode the inner meaning of names. Let's do it. The inner meaning of Kanaka Durga Devi is energy which is protected in golden fortress. The golden fortress is our golden aura, my dear friends. When we start meditation regularly with the sincere efforts, our aura will become more and more strong and golden color. There are many kinds of negative energies globally, like viruses, bacteria, disaster thinking people, cruel people, etc. No matter what kind of negativity, we cannot, and that negative energy cannot enter into our life electromagnetic field. It cannot enter into your life. It means not coming near to us, not showing any effort on us. We always in that golden fortress. Fortress means the protection, my dear friends. So there is a great story to understand this. That is the Buddha story. I already narrated the story to you. So he come with the intention of killing because he is a cruel man. He kill lot of people and cut their fingers, and all those fingers he make a necklace on, and he put that necklace on his neck. But when he came to Buddha with the intention of killing the Buddha, but he not able to do that because of that golden fortress, my dear friends. So all of us able to become like that, become Kanaka Durga Devi. So when we aware of our soul state through meditation, we can all bring that energy and that divinity into our life, my dear friends. When we do meditation, speak with awareness, practicing alertness, and living with non-violence means no meat, no egg, my dear friends. All these practices will increase your electromagnetic field like anything. And we are in golden aura. That aura will protect us like anything. This is the actual meaning of Mata Kanaka Durga Devi. So now it's time for some little meditation, my dear friends. Please sit in comfortable position. No matter whatever we learn, whatever we listen from the people, unless you start meditation practices, that didn't make any sense. That didn't change. That didn't bring any change into our life, my dear friends. So we must do meditation practice regularly to experience all these energies within us. So let's do it. Sit with clasped fingers and crossed foot, closed eyes. Observe your normal, natural, easy, soft flow of breathing, my dear friends. If you're having some thoughts, whenever you are aware that you are having some thoughts, come back to your breathing. That's it. As simple as it is. Meditation is very, very easy, my dear friends. Today goddess is Chandraghanta Devi. Chandraghanta Devi is energy is alertness. To do meditation, we need alertness, and by doing meditation, we increase that alertness. When we be alert and aware with your breath, then Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Saktirupena Samstita, a lot of cosmic energy will enter into our body. Then Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Kantirupena Samstita, because of that wisdom and energy, our electromagnetic will expand and become strong. So all this process will happen in meditation, my dear friends. Lord Krishna said, Tasmat Yogi Bhava Arjuna. Our immediate duty, responsibility is to become Jnana Yogi, Dhyana Yogi. That is the inner meaning of all stories, all rituals, all God forms, my dear friends. Look at Lord Krishna. What is he doing? He sit in meditation posture. Look at the Lord Hanuma. He sit in meditation posture. He always sat in meditation posture. Look at the Lord Ishvara. He sat in meditation posture. Why don't we starting this meditation? Please start this meditation. That's what they are all showing us. So be with your breath, my dear friends. Our breath is our guru. Pindaja Pravararudha Chandrakopastrake Yuta Prasadam Tanute Mayam Chandraghanteti Vistruta. We connect to that Mata Chandraghanta Devi energies, Goddess Chandraghanta Devi energies. Be aware, my dear friends. Pindaja Pravararudha Chandrakopastrake Yuta Prasadam Tanute Mayam Chandraghanteti Vistruta. With that alertness, we'll get lot of cosmic energy. Then can expand our electromagnetic field, will become like a Kanaka Durga. Lalita Sumanetra Subhangi Durga Komala Kamala Padangi Durga Aruna Bimba Durga Palita Sujana Kadamba Durga Lalita Sumanetra Subhangi Durga Komala Kamala Padangi Durga. ధీర సుధీర చంద్ర సుధాకరుడంపెను అవని వినూతమైన వెలుగుల శోభలు. ధీర సుధీర చంద్ర సుధాకరుడంపెను అవని వినూతమైన వెలుగుల శోభలు. జయము జయము దుర్గా విజయము లలితాంబ. జయము జయము దుర్గా విజయము లలితాంబ. లలిత సుమనేత్ర శుభాంగి దుర్గా కోమల కమల పదాంగి దుర్గా అరుణారుణ బింబా దుర్గా పాలిత సుజన కదంబ దుర్గా. నీల వినీల యశస్సు శోభలు నిండెను మధుర మనోహర వసుధా నిలయం పూజకు. నీల వినీల యశస్సు శోభలు నిండెను మధుర మనోహర వసుధా నిలయం పూజకు. జయ భువనేశ్వరి రత్న విరాజిత శివ సౌరీ. జయ భువనేశ్వరి రత్న విరాజిత శివ సౌరీ. జయము జయము దుర్గా విజయము లలితాంబ. లలిత సుమనేత్ర శుభాంగి దుర్గా కోమల కమల పదాంగి దుర్గా అరుణారుణ బింబా దుర్గా పాలిత సుజన కదంబ దుర్గా. జయము జయము దుర్గా విజయము లలితాంబ. Whenever we practice all these wonderful wisdom in our daily basis of life, when we live that awareness, alertness, that is the actual Vijayam, my dear friends. The real Vijayadashami will start in our life. We will celebrate our life each and every day, each and every moment. To do that, we must need to practice meditation. We have to give this knowledge from childhood to kids. It's not for old people, my dear friends. It is for old people too, but it is not for the old age. This knowledge is for all ages of people. Last 30 seconds, be with your breath. पिंडज प्रवरारूढ़ा चंद्रकोपास्त्रखेयुता प्रसादं तनुते मय्यां चंद्रघंटेति विस्तृता. Slowly place your both hands on your eyes for 4 seconds. Touch your eyes with your fingertips gently. Be like that for 4 seconds, and whenever you're ready to open your eyes, slowly take your hands off and open your eyes, my dear friends. Okay, please. Wonderful. So, thank you so much for listening to this wisdom every day. Please share this wisdom as much as possible, my dear friends. Because we are all one, and we are all God. If you send this knowledge, whatever you spread, whatever you give, you will get more, 10 times more than that. So it is very easy to share this wisdom to people. When we start meditation, to listen to a small session, 40-minute session, we use it to travel 2 hours, to and fro. Total 4 hours of travel we use it to do for listen to 40 minutes of wisdom. So now time changed like anything. So all this wisdom is available in front of us at our fingertips, my dear friends. We have to make best use out of this wisdom. Please share this wisdom and subscribe to our channels, a Wisdom Light channel, or PMC USA, PMC multilingual channels, to know more wisdom about our life science and about Devi Navaratri. We'll meet again tomorrow with more wisdom about Devi Navaratri and Vijayadashami. So my dear friends, bye. We'll see you again tomorrow.